Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove an effect from your Instagram story like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to random subscribers every week. The rule is simple, you just need to subscribe and comment on my latest video for this week. Winners will be announced on Sunday 7th March 2021. So good luck! So let's open up your Instagram app. Now let's open up your Instagram story by tapping on your profile. Here at the bottom you'll find all the effects which are available to use. You can swipe left or right to browse through it. To delete an effect, make sure the effect is selected by bringing it over to the camera shutter button. Then tap on the effect name which will be shown below the camera shutter button. Now tap on more. Then tap on remove. That effect will then be removed from your Instagram story. And there you go. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Like, share and subscribe.